Hi Imatech Electrical family, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install LED light strip, or you can call it a rope light or a hidden light. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install this particular light. So LED light has become cheap and easy to install, more accessible, and it gives out a great light. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install this particular light. So let me show you what you need for the installation. So you need a rope light like this, you need a rope light, and also you need a choke or a drive. So this choke converts AC current to DC to power the light, and you also need a pin like this pin, and also you need a 1 gram switch to control the light. So, and these are the tools you need. You need a plier, a flathead screwdriver. That's what you need. So let's get started. So, so for you to install this, when you look here closely, so when you look here closely, you will find the terminals. These are the connection terminals of this light. So these are the connection terminal. If you look it very well, you will see the terminal. So what you do is to take a pin like this. This is the connection pin, and slot it on the wire. If you look here, you see a tiny wire. So what you do is to slot it this way. Do it like this. While doing it, please do it gently so that make sure the wire fits in correctly. So this is how you do it. Then after that, you take your choke, a drive, and put it and slot it inside. Put it this way. And also remember that the light has a polarity. So when you put it, if it did not light, then you remove it and turn it. So let's test it. So simple. So this is how to connect a LED strip light. It's very easy to install. You don't need to worry yourself. You don't need to pay anybody to install this. It's very easy. This is how to do it. So you can control it here. You can see you can control it here, and you can as well use a switch to control it. So I'm going to show you how you can use a 1 gram switch to control it. So you can see this is how to connect it. It's very simple and easy to do. So just need to just need to just slot your pin here on this tiny wire. There is 4 wire here, 1 2 3 4, and the pin is 4. 1 2 3 4. You just slot it, make sure it enters the wire, make sure it fits in correctly. Just do it this way, slot it like this. Just do it like this and socket it here. So it's not hard, it's very simple. See it? It's very simple. So now let me show you how you can use one gang switches to control the light. So now what you have to do is to turn off your breaker. Then you take a wire. This is wire from my breaker. You take wire from your breaker to common terminal of this switch, or to L. L is the same thing as the common. So this is the L. So you take a power from your breaker to L. You use your screwdriver and lose it. Then put in your switch. Then L1 will now go to your control, to this choke. So you take wire from your L1 like this. To here. So like this now. So now this neutral and this positive will now go to here. So let's connect it. So this is it. So now if I turn it on now, you can see now you can use it. See, this switch is controlling the light now. You don't need to on it to control it here. Just use your switch to control it. See. So this is how to connect a LED strip light or a hidden light. It's very easy. You don't need to pay anybody for this. You can do it with your hand. Very easy to do. Because when you change it, when you off and on, it will change to another color. When you off and on, it will change to another color. So it has a multiple color. We call it RGB. It has a multiple color. Okay, I see. So this is how to do the connection. So please, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do what to subscribe and make sure you like the video. Please. Thanks for watching.